How to cultivate jumbo Cipluka in the home for beginners. Cipluka is one type of small fruit that comes from the Solaceae family. Cipluka plants are herbaceous plants that have an age of 1 year. Cipluka has an erect trunk with a ribbed, sharp-shaped and hollow with a height can reach about 1 meter. The leaves of the Cipluka plant have elongated ovate with tapered edges and sometimes flat edges and sometimes not. The flowers are located on the armpit. The Cipluka fruit is wrapped in petals that bulge with the shape of an egg and tapering at the edges with a yellowish-green color. Cipluka fruit is bar-shaped and has a yellowish color when it is ripe and has a sweet taste. Cipluka plants usually live wild in rice fields, plantations, and others. The contents in Cipluka include calories, fat, carbohydrates, protein, vitamin O, vitamin C, vitamin B12, calcium, iron, chlorhydric acid, citric acid, malic acid, tannins, alkaloid, cryptoxanthin, physalie and others. All body parts of Cipluka plants from leaves to roots have benefits that are very good for health. Here are some benefits of Cipluka include: A can help treat high blood pressure or hypertension, Cipluka dry herbs. B. Can help overcome or treat diabetes mellitus or diabetes, Cipluka plants that bear fruit to the roots. C. Can help treat ulcers, leaves. D. Can help treat bleeding gums, fruit. E. Can help treat lung pain, roots, stems and flowers. F. Can help treat ulcers, leaves. G. Can help treat influenza, leaves. There are two sizes of Cipluka, namely small and large, or also called jumbo Cipluka. And on this occasion we will discuss the method of cultivation of jumbo Cipluka. The following ways to cultivate jumbo Cipluka in the home yard for full beginners. 1. Terms of growing jumbo requirements. Cipluka jumbo plants can grow well in areas with fertile soil, loose, not stagnant and have a phase close to neutral. But Cipluka plants can also grow on thin, rather dense and poorly maintained soil with other wild plants. Cipluka plants can grow in low-lying areas to plains with altitudes of about 1500 meters above sea level. 2. Preparation of jumbo seedlings. The seeds of Cipluka jumbo can be obtained from Cipluka jumbo fruit, which is old and ripe from a plant that has been around for 2.5 months. After the fruit is obtained, remove the seeds. Furthermore, the seeds are sown on the seedling medium, which is smooth, loose and has sufficient nutrients. This seeding can be done in a seedling or seedling tub. If the seedling and seedlings are ready, seed them immediately. Seed the seeds and cover with a plastic lid to suppress evaporation of water and avoid exposure to heat and rainwater and prevent pests and diseases. Seed germination will occur several months after seeding. After the seeds are 1 to 1.5 months old, the seeds can be moved to plant them. 3. Planting of jumbo Cipluka. Jumbo can be planted in pots or planting land. Before it is done, the bottom of the pot is given broken tiles, brick or coconut or palm fiber. Then enter the planting medium in the form of a mixture of loose soil, manure and NPK fertilizer. After all is ready, immediately do the planting. Plant the seeds in the planting medium in the pot and then compact a little. Then place it in a place that is not exposed to direct sunlight. 4. Maintenance of jumbo Cipluka. Do regular watering, that is every afternoon with sufficient volume of water. Perform initial fertilization using compost mixed with media soil, then do supplementary fertilization using nitrogen fertilizer dissolved in watering water. If the Cipluka plant is attacked by a pest, Do the same control of other treatments. Control can be done manually or mechanically. Such is the discussion about how to cultivate jumbo Cipluka in the home for beginners. Hopefully it can be useful, and follow our next post every 6 p.m. every day. See you later on our video, and thank you.